Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I like to focus on indie brands and affordable makeup, sorry. So that's what you're into. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and today's video I am very excited for. First of all, if there was ever a palette and lippy combination match made in heaven, that's what we're doing today. The lippy is the Ladybug Glow Multi-Chrome Gloss in the shade number 6. And can you see how beautiful that is? Like, just look at that shine, that shimmer, just absolutely beautiful. That deep, dark, like purple, amazing. And the palette, this is actually my first time trying this brand, so I'm super excited. I've heard amazing things about them and I'm really, really excited. It is the Nightshade palette by Gourmande Girls. Oh, and it's also, I believe it was designed by Doodles by the bunny. And here is the inside of this beautiful, beautiful palette. Like, you guys, I'm ready for fall and this is what I needed. And again, how perfect is this lip for this palette? Like, sorry if I'm blinding you with the reflection of the lights in the mirror, but the two just were made for each other. So I'm really, really excited. And there's so many pretty shades. I always struggle with these palettes that are so pretty. And also, the little indentations made in all the shades. I'm not sure how well the camera's picking that up, but like, I feel bad because the palette's so pretty and I don't want to mess it up, but I kind of have to use it. So let's go ahead and get started. Obviously, we're going to be dipping into some of these gorgeous purple shades. I'm not sure what else, but let's get started and see where the palette takes us. So I want to start with this gorgeous, like a mustard tone yellow. It's the shade Bittersweet. It's really, really pretty, and I just feel like that would look really cool mixed with some purples. So I want to start with that. It's just that very grungy mustard yellow that I love. It's one of the things that I think about when I think of fall. Very pretty. And I think we're just for today, I think we're just gonna do the same look on both eyes, and definitely can bring this palette back for another video if you guys would like. This is just looking beautiful. Nice pigment, beautiful shade. All right. Now I want to go in with this really pretty deep purple shade Woody right here. And we're just going to put that on the outer portion of the eye to start. Just again, another very beautiful, very, very, can you see that pigment? Like, That is no joke. Like, these shades are going on beautifully. Okay. Now, we're gonna grab the glitter glue and put some of that down. Okay. Now first, I'm trying to decide which shade I want to go in with. Ooh, okay. I think I want to go in with the shade Night Fury first, which is that shade right there. And I'm just gonna put that right next to that purple shade and kind of blend them together just a little bit. Like, all these shades are going on so well. Okay. Now I want to take this green shade Hellbore right here, and I put it right next to that purple shimmer. And they're kind of going to overlap just a little bit, and that's totally okay. Because they all kind of need to blend together. And like, it doesn't have to be perfect, like it's okay. I am extremely impressed so far, you guys. Okay. And now we're gonna go in with this really, really pretty yellow shade Flowering right here. And we're just gonna do that like inner portion of the lid. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. All right. I absolutely love this look. And again, same thing for the other eye, just going with that really pretty yellow shade Flowering. And just putting it on that inner portion of the lid. Such a pretty shade. Like, all these shades, you guys, are just absolutely gorgeous. I am so in love with how this look is turning out. And I have to be honest, like, I got this palette, I think on like Monday. It's Saturday. Like, it was literally killing me not to like mess with this palette and get in and play with all the shades, because I wanted you guys to be able to like see it when it was like pretty and clean, like not after I messed it up. So yeah, it was hard because I really, oh man, I was just like so excited to get into this palette. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go into this beautiful purple shade, Nightshade. Just put that on the lower lash line. And then for that lower inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in, ooh, this is a hard one. Let's do Dream Shade right here. Yes, 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 so pretty. So pretty, you guys. I am just in love right now. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back and this is the finished look. And you guys, this is such a fun look. Like, I am totally feeling like the Halloween spooky vibes. I absolutely love this. And again, the lip gloss that I'm wearing, it's the Ladybug Glow Multi-Chrome Lip Gloss in the shade number 6, which, as I said at the beginning, this is like the perfect match for this beautiful palette. So this was the Gourmande Girls and Doodles by the Bunny Nightshade palette. Here's the back of the palette. And here is the inside of this freaking gorgeous, beautiful palette, you guys. Like, just how pretty is that? Just seriously, like, I just, oh, I love it. Love it. Again, goes perfect with the lip. It's just such a fun palette. Y'all, I am a new Gourmande Girls fan. I don't know, it just, for whatever reason, it took me a little bit too long to try this brand, but I'm glad that I finally did. I absolutely adore this palette, love the look that I came up with, and that is it for today's video. And also, I've got my affiliate codes linked down below if there's something you guys want to pick up and you want to use one of my affiliate codes. By all means, you don't have to, but I do have one for Ladybug Glow. It's just Ashley, my first name, ASHLEY, and I'll save you 10% on your order. And from what I understand, Ladybug Glow does have some new products coming out. Like, I can't wait. I love so far everything I've tried from the brand. So if you guys haven't tried them, pick something up. And also Gourmande Girls, love this palette. They have some other products I can't wait to try. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank you so much. Do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And just please, the most important thing is remember that you are loved, you're amazing. I hope that you have just a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, you guys. And I'll see y'all in the next one.